Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad, and this video is about how can we use the comments in CSS. Okay, as you know that the comments are not used by the browsers, but it is really helpful to understand the source code. Alright, so let's just go to the VS Code and see how can we write the comments in CSS. Okay, in HTML document you are using the HTML and as well as the CSS. So as you know that to add the HTML comment you have to write this. So this is how you write the HTML comment, but to write the CSS comment you have to insert it inside the style element. To write the CSS comment you have to write the / then asterisk, which we also call star, then you have to use the asterisk again and / again. Alright, so this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.